Hi! If you are new here, then we welcome you to 5 Best List. In this channel, we feature only the best and the latest everything that has to offer. To save your time and make your purchase decision easier, in this video, we picked only the best items for you. We tested many of them before making this list. Check the description below for the product links and updated prices. So, let's get started.
Number 1 in our list is Emsco Group Superhero Snowboard. This snowboard is appropriate for children ages 5 to 15. Beginners will find the ergonomic design helpful in their quest to learn this exciting snow sport. It is recommended to start on low slopes when beginning training. Made of a solid polyethylene construction, this kid's snowboard showcases excellent workmanship. As snowboarding is an outdoor sport, various elements may affect the board, causing scratches, skates, and wear and tear. This snowboard has step-in bindings that are adjustable for children of all ages. It will lock into place after adjusting, so youngsters and tweens of different sizes can fit in without any worries. The amazing surface of this board is embossed with a stylish design, giving it a cool flair. The design won't alienate children and preteens like a plain, boring board, and will enhance kids' interest in the sport. The superhero snowboard can be used to practice easy moves and novice tricks. It's user-friendly, so kids will be able to ride it without feeling any pressure. Number 2 in this Best Kids Snowboard list is SPORTSSTUFF Snow Ryder Hardwood Snowboard. Perfect for beginners, this snowboard will enter you into the world of cruising the slopes. This entry-level snowboard features easy adjustable hook and loop bindings, providing effortless access and a secure fit for little shredders. Built like no other, the Snow Ryder children's snowboard features durable, multi-layer hardwood construction that can take on the toughest slopes across multiple seasons. Featuring multi-layer construction, Snow Ryder is composed of machine-pressed wood layers, creating an ultra-strong composite board that outshines the rest. With Super Duty durability and strength, this snowboard can withstand multiple riders and seasons. These easy-to-adjust bindings feature heavy-duty webbing and simple hook and loop closures, ensuring riders' boots or shoes are securely fastened to the board while sliding down the slopes. Whether your little rider is taking it slow or ready to speed, Snow Ryder's slick, laminated wooden bottom surface provides a smooth, even finish for riders of all ages, skills, and comfort levels. Our third pick is Sledsters, the original kids' snowboard. Snowboarding is a blast, but it can be expensive to equip kids with all the latest gear. Here's a way to get the speed, the excitement, and the adrenaline rush of snowboarding. This green Sledsters kids snowboard is shaped to go fast, make turns, and hit bumps and jumps on snow-covered hills in the neighborhood. Insert and secure the bindings from the underside of the board. Riders just hop on, strap in, and start shredding. No special boots or bindings required. Use regular snow boots or shoes. This 40-inch tall by 10.5-inch wide snowboard is made of a super strong polymer engineered for years of cold weather fun. Recommended for ages 6 to 12 years. Fourth pick in our Best Kids Snowboard list is Lucky Bum's Plastic Snowboard. Great choice to introduce kids to snowboarding in backyard or on nearby sledding hill. Board has traditional snowboard cut, with glossy bottom and gentle edges. Includes pre-mounted adjustable bindings that accommodate snow boots. Durable latch system ensures secure fit. For riders age 9 and up, snowboard does not include metal edges. Snowboard not recommended for ski resort use. The Lucky Bum's beginner snowboard is a great choice to introduce kids to snowboarding in the backyard or on the nearby sledding hill. This plastic snowboard has no metal edges and is ideal as a holiday gift for the first-time snowboarder. Last in this list is Geospace Sledsterz Kids Snowboard. This snowboard is a blast, but it can be expensive to equip kids with all the latest gear. Here's a way to get the speed, the excitement, and the adrenaline rush of snowboarding. This blue Sledsterz Kids snowboard is shaped to go fast, make turns, and hit bumps and jumps on snow-covered hills in the neighborhood. Insert and secure the bindings from the underside of the board. Riders just hop on, strap in, and start shredding. No special boots or bindings required. Use regular snow boots or shoes. This snowboard is shaped to go fast and make turns on hills in the neighborhood. Riders just hop on and start sliding. It's made of a super strong polymer designed for years of cold weather fun.